Juggle raw eggs and stand on eggs at the same time? How is that possible? Wanna try? Not the best idea. Honey, don't peek. I have a surprise for you. Oh, Tommy, that's so romantic. You are great. Would you like to have some sushi? Sure. Oh, sweetheart, this is unbelievably delicious. Time for an experiment. Please, hold the plate. Oh, perfect timing. I'm thirsty. No, this is part of the experiment. Another experiment? Put the plate on the table. Add some tea lights to create a romantic vibe. Your attention, please! Cover the tea lights with a vase and watch closely. The oxygen inside burns and the water gets sucked into the vase. Oh, Tommy! It looks amazing! You are a real magician! Tommy, you are not giving me any attention! You are only interested in your stupid experiments! You don't even listen to me! And I have needs too! I want something unpredictable! It's impossible to talk to you! Well, sit here all alone then! Oh, women! What did she even want? I didn't understand! I need to make her happy somehow! Pour distilled water into 2 bowls. Dissolve salt in one bowl and add sugar in the other. Make strong solutions. Pour in a glass through a sieve. Add coloring. Fasten a pipe cleaner to a wooden skewer. Dip the pipe cleaner in the solution. Leave them for a few weeks. I got unique crystals! And crystals are a girl's best friend. I'll make an accessory. Megan will love it. I'm coming! Honey, you came! I have a present for you! What's that? Oh, sweetheart, these earrings are marvelous! Do I look good? Of course, and here's a ring. It's beautiful! Thank you! And here's some coffee. Ew! It's not sweet at all. That's easy to fix. Add a sugar crystal into the cup. Try it now. Whoa! It's perfect! You are my fairy tale prince! Megan, honey, look what I did. It was pretty hard. But Tommy, that's completely impossible. How did you put an egg in this bottle? Try it. If you can pull it off, I'll clean the apartment. If you don't, you clean. How do I do it? Nothing is working. I just need to press harder. Go! Oh no, it didn't work. Come on, Tommy! Honey, look, what a mean egg. Hey, egg, I won't give up that easily. Should I rub it with a brush? Oh, that's still not it. Sweetheart, I tried everything. I don't know how to do it. Sorry, darling, you'll be the one cleaning. Here you go. I'll reveal the secret of the experiment. You can't push a whole egg into the bottle with a narrow neck. But there's a solution. Light a paper wick. Put it inside the bottle. The oxygen burns and creates a vacuum inside the bottle. It sucks in the egg. That's it. It's not that hard. My experiment is almost a success. I just have to pick out a suitable color, and my mini fountain is done. Make a hole in a Coca-Cola bottle with a hot glue gun. Put in a straw. Pour in water with coloring through a funnel. Inflate a balloon and put it on the neck. The pressure inside the balloon makes it deflate. and the air from the balloon squeezes water out of the bottle. It pours out through the straw. Megan, my love, come here. I want to show you my mini fountain. Look, the pressure goes up and the liquid pours out. Tommy, why is the pressure so weak? Oh, you think the pressure is weak? Do you like this pressure? Is that better? Tommy, sometimes you are such a baby. What should I do next? A bottle with a cap? A bucket? That's not what I need. Tommy, sweetheart, what would you like for breakfast? A scramble, maybe? Oh, Basil, that's just what I needed. An egg, awesome. Crack an egg and wash the shell. Evenly spread white glue over the inner surface. Sprinkle the glue with alum. Let it sit for a few hours. Put powdered food coloring in a cup. Cover it using water with dissolved alum. Put the eggshell in it. Wait for 24 hours. Make solutions of different colors. Tommy, where are all the eggs? How am I supposed to cook breakfast? Megan, don't be angry. Look what I made. Colorful crystals. Tommy, they are great. A flower pattern on water is even more beautiful than a blossoming cherry tree. First, I put ice in water. Megan, I'll borrow your lipstick. It's for science. Melt some lipstick, and the drops on water make flowers. Oh yeah, the experiment was a success. Honey, listen. Oh, it's so beautiful. What's that? This is my lipstick? How could you do it? Here, how's this for beauty? What a nice day. I'll cook Tommy's favorite pasta. Spaghetti carbonara is perfect. Separate the white. Ah, bad luck. I'll try once again. Oh no, I failed again. Now it's gonna work. Don't you dare, you stupid yolk! How come? What a bad day. Megan, my love, why are you crying? Oh, Tommy, the yolk keeps breaking apart. I have an idea. Hang on. Put equal amounts of sugar and salt in a bowl. Mix it. Put the mixture in a silicone mold. Shape hollows. Put raw egg yolks in the hollows. Coat them with a layer of sugar and salt mix. Let them sit for a day. This is for you! But what's that? Let's dig it up and you'll see an egg yolk in front of you. The shape is perfectly round. Tommy, that's exactly what I need. There is always room for improvement, darling. Just grate the yolk and you have a perfect carbonara. Tommy, you are perfect! I wonder what would happen if I plant a candy. Let's find out. We'll add some secret growth serum. Megan, honey, you have to see this. Fill a pot with soil. Cut a piece of wire. Shape a tree. Cover the wire with polymer clay. Shape a tree trunk. Create texture with a modeling tool. Bake the clay following the package instructions. Fasten the clay tree in the pot. Cover the soil with artificial moss. Add decorative leaves to the branches. Apply melted chocolate to the branches and attach M&Ms. Is this a candy tree? Nothing special. Something unusual is about to happen. Take some headphones. What are you doing? And plant them. Add a secret ingredient. You are totally crazy. Hang on and you'll see. Just wait a little. Well, maybe not as little as I thought. Attach decorative leaves and flowers to another tree. Hang an AirPods case on it. Megan, wake up! Look what happened! Whoa, Tommy! These are AirPods! I've been dreaming about them for so long! Whoa, they really work! How about a thank you? What could be better than a healthy salad for lunch? Slice some tomatoes. Add lettuce. Spice it up. Something is off. Maybe some microgreens? No, that doesn't work. Honey, why are you sad? What happened? Babe, this salad is missing something, but I don't know what. Oh, Megan, I have something just for a situation like this. Look, it's a Basil pencil. Take an eraser off a pencil. Fill an empty gelatin capsule with basil seeds. Put it in the metallic holder of a pencil. Decorate with a ribbon. Attach a printed name of the plant to the pencil. So, what am I supposed to do with it? Let's plant the pencil. Tommy, you are so smart! And now, wait for the basil to grow. Come on, baby, grow! I need to water you. Yay! We have little sprouts. Tommy, hurry up! Look at it! Our baby basil is so big already! Honey, you are amazing! Yeah, you sure have a talent for gardening! Did you like our experiment ideas? Then comment below which ones you'd copy. Sugar and salt crystals, a candy tree, or a basil pencil? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new fun videos from Troom.